Solving quadratic equation by factorizing. Question 1. X square minus 10x plus 21 equals to 0. So these 21, we have to find out two numbers. Once we multiply it will become 21, and once we make addition or subtraction it will be 10. It means 3 and 7, right? So we can write x square minus 7x minus 3x minus plus 21 equals to 0. Then we can take common x, so x minus 7 minus 3 again x minus 7 equals to 0. Now we can take common x minus 7, so it will be x minus 3 equals to 0. So then if x minus 7 equals to 0, then x equals to 7, or x minus 3 equals to 0, then x equals to 3. So answer x equals to 3 or 7. So this is our first question. Question 2. 2x square plus 8x plus 6 equals to 0. Before solving this equation, we can take common 2, because here all coefficient is even number and constant also even number. So we can take common 2. X square 4x plus here is a 3 equals to 0. Now we can divide both side by 2. So it will be x square plus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. We can write divide by 2. Okay. Now we will make a middle term factor. Here is 3. So 3 we can write 3 times 1, it will be 3, and 3 plus 1 equals to 4, right? So we can write x square plus 3x plus x plus 3 equals to 0. Then we can take common x, so x plus 3, and here is a take common 1, x plus 3 equals to 0. Then we can take common x plus 3, x plus 1 equals to 0. Now either x plus 3 equals to 0, then x equals to minus 3, or we can say x plus 1 equals to 0, or x equals to minus 1. So our answer is x equals to either minus 1 or minus 3, right? Minus 3. So second question done. 1 and 2 done. Question 3. 2x square minus 4x minus 6 equals to 0. From here also we can take common 2 before starting the math. X square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Then we can divide both side by 2, so we will get x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. 3 times 1 is a 3, and 3 minus 1, or minus 3 minus 2 equals to 2. So we can write like this way: x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals to 0, right? Because 3 times 1 equals to 3, and minus 3 plus 1 equals to minus 2. Here is a minus 2x. Okay. Now we can take common x, so here is a x minus 3 plus 1, we can take common x minus 3 equals to 0, right? Then we can take common x minus 3, and here is a x plus 1 equals to 0. Now we can write either x minus 3 equals to 0, it means x equals to 3, or x plus 1 equals to 0. That means x equals to minus 1. So our answer is x equals to minus 1 or 3. Very simple. So we are trying to solve 3 math based on quadratic equation, and we are trying to solve by factorization method. So next video we will start and try to solve quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Till then, take care, keep practice. My channel name is MathGif. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.